the longest. Not necessarily the cutting, because you have to get it right. Because if you mess it up, there's no putting it back. So it's all about the execution. 100%. How are you?
I'm Mike Sadler with Speed and Shine. Every fall in Michigan, there is a huge car event called Frankenmuth Auto Fest. It is in a great locale, especially if you like Christmas. We met up with some old friends, saw some great cars, and we were introduced to Rae Ripple. She's an author, TV personality, stunt rider, and world-renowned metal artist. She talked to us for a few minutes, and she gave a demonstration to the crowd. Now, we were using some microphones that are supposed to cut out the background noise, and they were blaring a lot of music at this car show, and sometimes it not only cut out the music, but it cut out the voice. We did our best in editing to repair that. Anyways, check it out.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Rae Ripple.
And you built this.
Well, I didn't build it, but I did the cutting. My client is the one that did all the man work in it, all the man hours in it, but the cutting is all me.
So how did you cut it?
I cut it with a plasma cutter, hypertherm power machine.
And how long did it take?
A long time.
Long time?
Yeah.
You didn't keep track of the hours?
I did, but if I told you, I'd have to kill you, and I'm not ready to go for murder yet.
All right. And you're going to do a demonstration over here?
I am.
Yeah. And do you have a design in mind when you start, or do you just let your heart?
Honestly, it's kind of like art is best created when you're either falling apart or falling in love, and I'm usually falling apart most of the time. And so it's usually music, and just whatever's going on in my life is what pattern kind of comes out.
It's an incredible art form, and
Thank you.
I think you mastered it.
I think I have too.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm here at Frankenmuth at Frankenfest. Is that what they call it? Yeah. And my favorite artist is here, Johnny Jalopy, and his wife Ity-B.
How's it going?
So, what do you think of this?
Oh my goodness. We thought Autorama was huge. This is giant. Good food, amazing cars, amazing people, yeah, for sure.
And I saw online you guys came with Shaggy.
Yeah.
And had a little breakdown.
That was a good way to start the adventure. It really talks about the key is going in a pack, right? We talked about it on our last podcast. So yeah, you gotta go with the group. 5 hours later, we got on the road.
That's what makes the trip memorable.
For sure, for
that
sure.
Didn't happen.
For sure.
So what are you drawing here?
There's a guy who came by and he's like, "Hey, would you draw my car?" And I wasn't really gonna do that at the show. And I was like, "You know what? I'll do one for you." So we're drawing a customer's car.
Nice.
Yeah.
And you got some other stuff out here for the kids.
Some T-shirts and stickers and hats and keychains. I'm sure
Johnny Sacks. I'm not sure about that, but I like it. And it's a hat. So where do they get the beanies? Where do they get all this?
Oh, wait a perfect salesman, lady. You got to come to Frankenmuth. It's the best show. You got to come see it.
And you got to check out your lives, which are every Monday night.
That's right, every Monday. And don't forget to watch stuff on Speed and Shine. And you'll see people like us.
Well, I hope I keep running into you guys.
For sure.
I think of you as friends, and you guys are a lot of fun.
We'll see you. All right, great to see you.
Oh, so yeah, on the T-shirts, I got double and triple X, extra large for all the guys in the Michigan militia, and then just a few large, mediums, and smalls because hey, you're in the Midwest now. You need the big shirts for the big guy.
Right.
Big Daddy always wanted to go. Is there any shirts that are pear shaped? But dude, they don't have those. You can't buy it. Then of course, this is either touch up or model car paint. The girls call it nail polish. Has plenty of prismatic and very, very nice, baby. There. Love it. And then some stickers from the old days, got some patches, a helmet we painted, and then of course we have the Roth custom car wine mugs, and they're $5 each.
Oh, you call them wine mugs?
Wine. Well, mulled wine, No one knows what it's like a German thing. You know that. It all has to do with Frankenmuth. We're in Frankenmuth. It has to do with Auto Fest.
That's right.
Hey, will you go over and check and see if the botwurst stand is open now? And if
I
there's
will.
a long line?
I'll come right back.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.